Hey there, welcome to GSD Solutions. If you're new to Outlook or switching from Gmail, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the basics of sending emails in Outlook, plus some useful features like scheduling emails, adding attachments, setting up automatic replies, and creating an email signature. Let's get started. First, let's send a basic email. Open Outlook and click on New Email at the top left. A new window will appear where you can compose your message. In the to-field type the recipient's email address. You can also add multiple recipients or use CC to copy others. And BCC to send a hidden copy. Next, add a subject. Keep it short and clear so the recipient knows what your email is about. Now type your message in the email body. Outlook works just like Gmail here. Format your text, add bullet points, or even insert links to make your email more engaging. How to attach files in Outlook. Need to attach a file. Click on Attach File at the top. Select your document and it will be added to your email. You can attach multiple files just like in Gmail. How to add an email signature in Outlook. Want to add a personal touch? Set up an email signature. Click on Settings, the gear icon, navigate to Account, and then Signatures. Enter your signature in the text box provided and format it as you like. You can even add images or links. Don't forget to check the boxes to automatically include your signature on messages and replies if desired. How to schedule an email in Outlook? Want to send an email later? Click on the arrow next to the Send button and select Send Later. Choose the date and time you want the email to be sent and click Send. Outlook will take care of the rest. How to set up automatic replies. Out of office. If you're going on vacation or out of the office, set up an automatic reply. Click on Settings, the gear icon. Navigate to Account and then Automatic Replies. Toggle on Turn on Automatic Replies, type your message, and set the start and end times if desired. You can customize responses for people inside and outside your organization. And that's it. Now you know how to send an email, schedule messages, attach files, set up automatic replies, and create a signature in Outlook. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.